A great Persian dish of soft roasted aubergine in tomato and garlic sauce, with eggs ribboned through it in the last minute. Served warm but not hot, it's ideal for breakfast in my opinion with pitta, or as making as part of a mezze fiesta meal. It can be prepared in advance and reheated before adding the eggs, so the prep work is dead easy. Anyway, I'll shut up and we'll get on with it. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. The most authentic way to prepare these comically shaped emojis is to blister them whole over an open flame until blackened and the flesh has softened right through to the centre. I can't do that, so it's to the oven with them, preheated to 230 degrees or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast them whole for 50 to 60 minutes, rotating occasionally. So now we can get on with the veg prep. Our whole head of garlic needs peeling and finely slicing. And the tomatoes could do with slicing into eighths. Look at this, I'm all prepped. When out of the oven, they're going to be really hot, so leave them to one side for 15 or 20 minutes. Meanwhile, put a good drizzle of olive oil in a large frying pan over a medium heat, and then add the garlic slices and slowly fry. Make sure you cook them through rather than simply browning them. If they start to go brown too quickly, take the pan off the heat and allow the residual heat to cook them through and flavour the oil. Once the garlic begins to brown around the edges, add the turmeric, stirring for a short while. Then add the tomatoes to the pan and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they break down. Do remember to smush them. Yes, that is a culinary term, to smush. That's to help them break down as they cook. When cooked, turn off the heat and set the pan aside until our aubergines have finished searing. Then score and scoop out the flesh. Bring the garlic and tomato mixture back onto the heat and stir through the aubergine and cooking it through for a few minutes, smushing as you go. And lastly, add the tomato puree, the sugar and the sea salt. Stir well and cook for a further 6 to 8 minutes. Do stir it occasionally to prevent the mixture from browning and catching on the bottom. Time for the mixed eggs. Make lots of little holes or indents in the mixture and pour the beaten eggs straight into the pan. Don't stir the eggs just yet. You want to ensure the eggs are cooking and solidifying before you incorporate them. That'll take about 5 to 6 minutes before they become opaque. Once cooked, give the mixture one final stir to ribbon the egg through the mixture and remove the pan from the heat. Leave it for about 20 minutes or so, as this dish is best served warm rather than piping hot. Garnish with the walnut pieces and serve with whatever flatbread you fancy. And there you have it, a simple, satisfying vegetarian mezze, or in my case, breakfast. While it's traditional to use leftover garnish in my post-cooking vodka and coke, I've got nothing suitable this week, so it's going to be a sad, lonely dink this week. Cheers, my dears. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, click that like button and consider subscribing. You never know what's coming up next, and we've got a whole world of recipes on this channel. So why not join the cool kids? So until next time, bye!